doing? So I'm back again, right? Victor Anyanwu is the name. They call me the social media oracle. And today I want to talk about funnels, right? Now, sales funnels. So what do I mean when I talk about funnels? A funnel is, you know the way a funnel looks like, a normal funnel, right? That you use for water and pouring liquids and all that. Now in marketing it's the same thing, right? Social media for me is a lead generation platform. All right, you use social media to generate leads. Now if you sell while on social media, it's fine, right? But it is basically supposed to be a lead generation platform. So how does that work? You talk to somebody on social media, or you post up something really nice, the person is interested, the person talks to you, right? When the person talks to you, you ask for phone number or you ask for email address so that you can probably provide other types of services or maybe other options or other images that the person might be interested in, and the person provides that. So people will say yes, some will say no. Now for those that say yes, they give you their phone numbers, they give you their email addresses, they have provided another avenue for you to get in touch with them, right? So you can send them periodic SMSs or WhatsApp messages, you can send them emails, all right, on their email addresses, right? And you guys can have a relationship going back and forth, talking about whatever it is that they are interested in, right? But you find out that this does something really, really nice. So what do I mean by something really, really nice? People that have provided that content for you, you can market to them on other platforms. You can market to them in different set of images. You can market to them things that are a bit more beneficial. Now for them to give you email address or the WhatsApp number, it is because they are interested in what you are offering. And they'll probably like to see more offers from you, all right? Or they probably would have given you that because they were interested in receiving your free ebook or free video or whatever lead magnet you provided. All right, so you can provide a lead magnet to get leads. You might not provide a lead magnet, all right, but and still get leads. Okay, now when these guys provide that, they have entered into some sort of funnel for you, right? So the kind of images you'll be sending them would be a bit different from what you sent to them earlier on. You have posted the first one and they're in now. You now realize that they are interested. So what you do this time, you now decide to provide, more detailed types of training. Let's say, for example, you're trying to sell some safety gadget for kids, all right? Safety gadgets for kids, or you're trying to sell a car. You say that this car is a safe car, all right? It's very, very good for your kids, and no matter what happens, when your kids are in the car, they'll be safe. Right? And you run ads for women that just gave birth, who are in maternity and all of that, and they want to buy a new car, safe for the kids. So you start by putting out something as regards kids and safety, all right? And the person gets interested, all right, and wants to know more, and so provides you email address or phone number, right? And you now send them a different type of message. Now this time the message will now be on 3 things you should know about your car and how we can help your kids remain safe. And the person watches that too. Then finally, you now provide another one and you say, how to tune up your car, how to set the engine, how to set the seats, how to sit properly, how to put all these things in place so that the car can do so and so as regards safety of your child. And they watch that one. Then finally, you now say, the car that has all those things you've talked about, all right, and would provide that safety for the kid, and you say, please come and take a look. Please, would you like us to visit you and talk more about it? Do you understand? Now, you have brought them now from the initial interest point down the funnel. So you created awareness, they got interested, they provided their contact, then you went down to the place where you have made them to take a decision. The decision now will now be, should I go with this guy or should I not go with this guy? Should I buy this thing or should I not buy this thing? Right? Should I take a look at this car or should I not take a look at this car? Right? So social media does that for you. So it brings down, it improves relationship between you and that customer. Somebody you never knew now knows about you. Right? Awareness. Then it goes down to the place where the person is interested in whatever you were talking about, whatever offer you're offering, the person is interested. All right, so it goes down even further to where the person needs to take a decision or make a decision, all right, or take an action. Okay, that's what social media does for you. So please understand that it's not the day that you post a video, right, that you expect sales to come up. If sales come up, fine, but that is not the way it was made to work. Do you understand? It is a lead generation platform, so you have to move people down the funnel to where it closes, from awareness, where they just heard of you, to interest, right, because they're interested in what you're offering, to trying to make a decision, right, to finally taking an action to test whatever it is you're offering or to check out whatever it is you're offering, right? So if you have any questions as regards sales funnels, marketing funnels, online marketing, social media management, ask me. My phone number is 234-81-7710-8267. That's also my WhatsApp number, right? So we can talk on WhatsApp. Follow me across all social media platforms at the Oracle VA, right? You can also subscribe to this channel. Just click the subscribe button and click the bell beside it, right? So that whenever I post great content like this, you will see it. So as I said before, my name is Anyanwu, and they call me the social media oracle. Thank you for listening.